What's up, guys? Today is Sunday again, and today I'm going to run you through the recap of my trading week. So this week, I was up and down in profit, but eventually I'm in profit right now. But let me just get on the screen and just show you. So yeah, this is my first week, my first trade of the week. My trading week started on Tuesday this week, but look at this. This is the trade that I first took. This was against my rule. I was not even supposed to be in this trade because, first of all, no push to any 1 hour support or resistance level, and I was just entering on this other block that I was here because of this push. But it was a stupid trade that when I entered, that was when I realized that why am I in this trade? Look at this. After this downward push, it showed this weakness. You can see this long candle here. That's the weakness that the price is just going to reverse. And I was just hoping I would not miss the trade, because after this fair value gap that I created, this is even a viable move. This fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap that I created, that was something I could have entered on, or I should have entered on. But I was entering short on this trade to come down to this 20 level area, which, as you can see, just took me out in a loss. As you can see, yeah. So that was just the first loss that I had that week. That week. The second trade was on Thursday, on Wednesday. So yeah, it was a really nice trade. If you can see, this is the push downward. If I go to the 1 hour, I'm going to see that this was a push. It started showing weakness on the 1 hour. Showing some weakness on the 1 hour. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yes, this is the push on the 1 hour. Down and started showing weakness. That was just it. If I see a bullish or bearish move like this is the bearish move down to this is not even a, but the 1 hour push is important. After that 1 hour push, I just have to enter, and I just have to wait for a fair value gap to be formed. If you can see this is it. After this push on the 5 minutes, this push on the 5 minutes started showing weaknesses, and then this fair value gap was created. This fair value gap right here was created. That was what I entered on. As I entered here, actually the crazy thing was it did not trigger on my 10k account. So I was trying to enter the trade on 3 accounts. I have a 5k one step, another 5k one step, then a 10k one step account. So it triggered on the 2 5k accounts, but not on the 10k accounts, because I was in drawdown on the 10k accounts. I was like $300 down on that account, but did not trigger on the 10k account. Look at this. Not just take me. I'm not sure you can see it. Everything I post it on my Telegram group, so you can go ahead and check it there. Look at this. This is my Telegram group, so where I drop every trade I trade as I'm taking it, as I'm following it, I'm posting it there. Every update I make sure I update it on that channel. The link is in my bio. If you can see this, it don't even trigger on trading view. So if you can see this, like just one peep for it to trigger, and it don't even trigger on trading view. But on the 5k account, it triggered. This was the trade that it's full TP. This was the trade on my 5k account. So it triggered on my 5k account, but not on my 10k account. It was really crazy. It just started flying. This is like 15 minutes worth of price action till full TP. That was crazy. After I just came gushing down, I know I was not even in that move. Yeah, that was all the trade that I took this week. This week was a particularly crazy week because of that major highlight of my 10k account that did not trigger. I was really hoping it was going to trigger because I was down like $300 on that account, or $150, I'm not sure. Now on the 5k account, I'm up $23 or $27 or so. I'm up $27 on the 5k account, and on the 10k account now I'm in drawdown. Now I'm even trying to revise the way I trade, because all these prop firms, they don't want me to pass. They don't want anybody to pass their account. They want people to just buy and fail, buy and fail. That's how they make money basically. So I want to, instead of me trying to copy all my trades, every trade I trade and I take, instead of me to copy it on all those accounts, I just choose one and trade it, whether I pass it or I blow it. Yeah, you get me? Whether I pass it or I blow it. If I blow it, I move on to the next. If I pass it, I'm funded, I just keep it and then go on to the next and try to repeat that process. Now, yesterday I won a 25k account from Funding Trader. I have that 110k. The 10k account is from Funding Trader. So I have, and on Monday or so they are going to be giving me a 25k account. I'm going to first focus on this 10k account, whether I pass it on or I blow it, because I'm still in drawdown on that account. So that's the first account that I'm going to focus on. So I'm going to have like up to 4 accounts, but I don't want to copy across, basically, so that any loss that I get will not be all my accounts. So if I blow an account, I know I only blow one account instead of me to blow all 4 at the same time. So it doesn't make sense if I blow all 4 at the same time. So I just try to take one account and trade at each different times, so I'm not over trade. So even if I blow one account, I will not be stressed and feeling down that I blew all my accounts, I have no account to trade on. So that's just it. I'll catch you guys next week. So if you're watching this, do it to like, do it to subscribe. This is my YouTube channel. I'm not sure this is showing, but this is my YouTube channel. You have to follow, do it to like, do it to subscribe. This is the link. I'm sure you can see the link. The link is right here. Just click on the link to take you directly to my journal where I post all my trades. Do it to like, do it to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week.